Hello, how are you? Nice to meet you. Welcome in International Conference on Information Technology, Advanced Mechanical and Electrical Engineering 2020. I am Budi Santoso from Mechanical Engineering Department, Universitas 11 Maret, Surakarta, Indonesia. My team are Pak Budi, Cahyana, and Imaduddin. Now I will present my research with a title, Improve Engine Performance Using Twin Spark Plug Ignition. My presentation consists introduction, related works, experimental detail, research and analysis, and conclusion. Introduction. The competition to design energy-efficient vehicle was organized by Shell and GT. SE engine was chosen to develop because this engine has the highest efficiency compared to the other engine. SE engine performance can be achieved by improving the ignition system. So the goal, the engine must be tested to obtain the best efficiency performance indicated by torque, power, brake-specific fuel consumption, or BSFG, and engine speed. Related work. Altin and Bilgin, Bailcari et al. Prabhakar. Research about the twin spark in SE engine. Prabhakar, Patwardhan, Peru. Use the digital twin spark ignition system, or DTSE, to compare fuel consumption. Divakar and Anthony, Prashan et al. Use ethanol gasoline blend in twin spark in SE engine. The last, Ford simulated the twin spark configuration. My experimental detail. Testing of the engine performance is carried out using a friction type dynamometer. The dynamometer consists Barrett and Stewart for measurement fuel consumption, tachometer to measure rotation of engine and rotation of dynamometer, blower to cool the engine, CDI and computer to program ignition time. So, the method of the testing engine performance used is testing at the chain load and testing at the fixed load. The ignition engine is adjusted by Rextor CDI, programmable, with single ignition coil. So the ignition engine is standard plus 2 degrees, standard plus 4 degrees, standard plus 6 degrees, and standard plus 8 degrees for testing the single spark plug and twin spark plug. this figure, is the standard ignition angle measurement. So the second figure is spark plug position. So the figure is the apparatus setup. Result and analysis. We have three parameters. One is torque, the second is brake specific fuel consumption, and the third is power. We can look in here, torque and PSFG. The best PSFG and torque value are obtained at 6,000 engine speed. We look in here. At the engine speed 6,000, the torque is 5.8 Newton meter, and PSFG at 6,000 obtained maybe 0.0 0.25. The best PSFG and the torque value are obtained in advancing 2 degrees from the standard ignition. So the maximum power was run at the 8,000 RPM engine speed and advancing 2 degrees from the standard ignition time. This analysis is burning a core from the to spark as the initial point of the flame, reducing the fire propagation time. The use of the twin spark plug increase the ignition flame and increase the temperature resulting from the combustion. A high combustion chamber temperature has high pressure to move the piston. The last conclusion. We use the engine with 100 cc. Yeah. The performance of the twin spark plug engine is relatively better than a conventional single spark plug ignition engine. Advancing 2 degrees from the standard ignition time in two spark plug engine can increase the engine performance. Thank you very much for your attention. Maybe any question, I will wait your question. Thank you.